Hey, what's up and welcome back to my channel. This is Eizy from Eizy. Customizer we build, we share, and we're inspired. This week, let's check out another plastic model kit by Kotobukiya. This is Megami Device Bullet Knights Lancer number 11. I already reviewed her first sister, the Bullet Knights Launcher. You guys can check out her video review, link is in the description down below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the box of this kit. This is the box art and it is black and golden color. On this side, some details for this kit, and on this side here, and this side we have the face expression decals with some information, and moving on to the instruction manual, also black in color. Very nice artwork here. And this is the kit info and the runners, the assembling guide, and at the back here, like usual, the decals instruction. Lancer is my favorite in Bullet Knights line. Look at her. She got pink hair, green eyes, and a very cute face expression. I love the color scheme of this kit. The combination of white and black with gold and pink looks so majestic. This kit costs you around 5,760 yen now on Hobby Search. She also has another designs like the Bullet Knights Exorcist, the Bullet Knights Lancer Hellblaze, and the latest one is the Bullet Knights Exorcist Widow that was released a few weeks ago. And using the same base model of Lancer, some minor changes for the weapons, the color scheme, face expression, and using some parts from the MSG line. Size comparison with Bandai High Grade Gunpla, Bandai Figurized Standard, Kotobukiya Sosai Shoujo Teien, Kotobukiya Fremont Girl, and Snail Shell GN Wolf 001. And for her weapon, size comparison with GN Wolf 001, and it is pretty long. These are all the accessories that comes with this kit. 3 face expression. The first one is her super happy face. The second one looks like she's really hungry. And the third one is the normal face looking to the left. She comes with a set of grabby hand, a set of pointy hand, another set of pointy hand, a set of fist, a set of open hand, another set of open hand, and lastly a set of grabby hand. She also got the same hand set like her launcher sister, the normal one with a tiny movable joint that is pretty easy to break, and the other one is one piece of part without any articulation. If you break the tiny joints, don't worry, they give you some spares with this kit. More extra joints like this, and these joints are for her ponytail at the back. If you break some, you have your replacement here. And she also comes with 3 neck joints with different height, color, and one is for the frame of skill hat, and a spoon with a fork. Simply put this into her grabby hand. The reason why she comes with this face expression. The water slide decals, you will not get 1, 2, but 3 action base. One is to hold the Lancer while the other 2 are for her weapons. A huge shield. At the back there are plenty of 3mm holes. At the front there are 2 holes. You can use this part to make a pack. There are plenty of options for you. This is the main weapon, the lance. It is pretty long and looks pretty cool. If you see at the back here, there's a bunch of 3mm holes. Same goes to the top part here. And actually you can modify this lance in any way you want. You want to put this part here, or maybe at the back here. And you can attach the shield onto the lance, so it will become a rideable machine for Lancer. Use the pack provided and just attach it like this. There are many type of handles included with this kit. You get this type and this one, and also this one right here, with all different type of handles included. Bunch of 3mm holes on the lance and also on the shield. You have plenty of options to choose from how the lancer girl want to hold these weapons, either turning this lance as a close range weapon, or make a rideable machine, or as a long range weapon. It depends on your creativity. These are some example of poses that you can do. Moving on to the articulation, the head can move up and down about this far and go side to side. It can make one full rotation, but I don't want to do that. And this part here can rotate like this. And at the back here, this is actually a wired and it can bend like this. The ponytail can move up and down and make one full rotation. For the man body part, it can move left and right like this, lean forward and backward about this much. And the arms can move up about that far, and rotation here and swivel here. It can bend about this much, and there's a movement here for this part here on the arm. And then for the hand, can rotate like this, and like usual Megami Device join, and there's a 2 holes at the back, spread about this much, and make something like this. There we go. And at the back, it can bend about this much. If you remove this armor part, you can make rotation here, and there's articulation here too. Very weird one. Movement here, front, pivot. And moving on to the backpack. This is the backpack that comes with the side skirt, and the backpack holder here have a lot of articulation. You can make a rotation here, movement here. This part also can be rotate, move up and down. There are so many articulation you can do with the backpack. And movement like this, and down here also can make the same movement like top one. And for the side skirt, you can do something like this. And for this part here, there's a pack here, and there's a hole at the middle. Can open up the side skirt like this, can move like this and like so, and to attach the shield into the backpack handle. It's a very wide range of articulation here, so you can do almost everything to hold the huge weapon, very heavy weapons, and attach the lance and make it something like this. It also comes with bunch of parts. This is the male pack, and this part, and also this part, and this is the Megami Device logo, and this extension. So with all the parts included, you can make or extend the arms for the backpack, make another joints, or maybe articulation for the holder. It depends on your creativity. You can do almost everything, and you can also put the Megami Device logo at the back here. And to attach the backpack to the lancer, just simply slide this pack inside this hole at the back and reposition the side skirt like this. There you go. I really like the side skirt, it looks pretty cool. And yeah, this is the most interesting part of this design. She also comes with extra hat, which is this hat and this tights here, and extra part for the tie with the holes, and same goes with the arm here, and these two tiny parts for the arms. And this is the internal joint, and this is the standard Megami Device fit design. And we have this part here in black, and this is the top part, skin type, and this is the arm, the extra one. With all the parts, you can change her into a standard Megami Device. So she looks a bit short compared to the armor on. So that's it. Overall, this kit design is amazing. Love the color scheme, the weapons, armors, especially her side skirt design, matching up with the gold, black, and white color scheme that makes her looks like a royal knight. Having this lancer in your collection is a must, especially if you own her sister, the launcher. These two are meant to be paired together. And that's all the review for today. See you guys next time. Ciao. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Eizy Customizer Facebook page and my Instagram Eizy. The links are in the description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, reviews, tutorials, and many more, because here on Eizy Customizer we build, we share, and we inspire. See you guys next time. Ciao.